The lava lamp just got a whole lot more interesting. This lava lamp has magnetic fluid inside called ferrofluid, and it definitely breathes new life into the lava lamp concept. Now, you can interact with your lava lamp using regular magnets. The ferrofluid dances and forms geometric patterns. Ferrofluid was invented by NASA in the 1960s as an experimental rocket fuel and is comprised of iron oxide nanoparticles. Using it in a lava lamp is a brand new idea and was patented last year by inventor Kyle Haynes, who sold the first ever models on Kickstarter in 2015. The new model is shaped like a rocket to pay homage to ferrofluid's original beginnings. It is 33% larger and 50% less expensive than the first model.
Have you ever wondered what is causing that slight headache or wooziness that you feel at the end of your workday? Or why your eyes burn when you cross the street? Do you wonder if this is going to cause a long-term problem for you or your kids? Air pollution, both indoors and out, is a global problem. Today, you can join us to challenge it. This is Atmotube, a wearable air quality tracker that measures real-time air pollution, temperature, and humidity. It's the most affordable and most compact air quality tracker on the market today. People don't realize how what's in the air might affect our health. Unless we have asthma or allergies, we don't notice any immediate impact on our bodies and never really care about the air around us. But during the day, the concentration of volatile organic compounds, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide indoors may increase dramatically if the ventilation is not good enough. With Atmotube, it's easy to track the pollution around you and understand what you can do to breathe better. In the big cities, we are often exposed to air pollution outside too, but we are always too busy to pay attention to it. Atmotube will immediately alert you about potential danger, so you can prevent negative health impacts. Atmotube can sense environmental changes in real time to help to make the right choices every day and live healthier. We have been helping other companies to invent and develop hardware and software products for years. Then, we finally decided that it's time to solve our own problem. We've been working on Atmotube for over a year to achieve the most accurate readings from the sensors, craft its beautiful and durable titanium body, and create the best user experience from the data that the Atmotube detects.
The Phoozy protects your phone from the damaging effects of the sun and crazy temperatures. Don't ever let your smartphone overheat in the sun or freeze on the slopes again. Made from materials that were developed to protect astronauts from the extreme environment of space, the Phoozy works with or without your existing slim case to help prevent overheating in the sun and heat while insulating your phone in extreme cold. Our chromium shell reflects more than 90% of the solar radiation generated by the sun, and it also shields against freezing cold, both of which can wreak havoc on your smartphone, causing it to shut down, drain your battery, or suffer permanent damage.